Good afternoon, Bear Ball Traders. This is MikeB here. I want to say thank you to everybody that wished me congratulations on Monday on my retirement. It's truly humbling to be a part of a community that recognizes accomplishments outside of trading itself. I'm truly blessed to have found this community 2 years ago and look forward to the many years to come. Now, before I waste any more of your time, let's get into the recap that I have today. Today I traded pins. I took it twice. The first trade, which is right here, was a hotkey error, or not a hotkey error, but it was just myself reversing numbers into the montage when I went ahead and put in stop limit order. Instead of putting 21.90, I put 12.90. So I got stopped out right away and then washed that out and then just recollected myself and got ready for the trade again. So the trading strategy that I'm using is just kind of something I pieced together. It's where moving averages are crossing as well as overlaid with Thor's price level breakout strategy. I've noticed that when you pair these two together, you can get a decent move into at least 1R. Majority of the time you're getting 2R, and then about a third of the time it will move way past that up into 3+ R's. So for me and the way I trade, it works well. What I look for right off the bat in the strategy is I'm looking to see if a stock's 9 and 20 is looking to cross as well as heading up to the 50 to cross. If I get that, in this case I'm going long, looking to see if the 15 is not going to make a new low. Look down here to the 5 and see if there's the 5 is not going to make a new low, and then I look over here on the 2 and I want to see if the 9 and 20s are sloping to cross the 50 moving average. If I can get that, then I'm looking to see if there's a price level that the stock is rejecting on multiple time charts. As you can see here on the 2-minute, I got a rejection here, I got a rejection here, and then down here on the 5, you can see that it's kind of rejecting here a couple times as well, every time it goes up above that. So what I was looking to do was to take this entry at 21.90. That's where I made the hotkey error and I got filled right away. Would have prevented me from getting stopped out. But once it breaks that level, I take the entry, I wait and hold the 1R, I take my first partial, then at 2R I take my second partial, then I look to let the rest ride to the profit target or to a 3.34R. If at any point it comes back, I'll go ahead and I'll get out at break even or slightly above break even, as you can see right here. So today ended up with a -1R and a 1.5R. So overall, not a bad trading day. Looking forward to tomorrow. Hope everybody has a great day and trade safe.